What is the number of cans that can be packed in a certain carton? So we need to find out the unique number of cans that can be packed in a carton. So we need to know the size of the can, the size of the carton, both the informations. Now let's start with the first statement. The interior volume of the carton is 2304 cubic inches. That is completely not sufficient because we don't know the dimensions. Remember one thing, that to find out the number of cans, if you calculate, some of the students calculated this way, number of cans is equal to volume of carton divided by the volume of can. Let me quickly tell you that this will be a wrong method to calculate the number of can in any carton. Now what we need to do is that we have three dimensions of the carton, which are L into B into H, and we need to divide each dimension with the respective dimensions of can. That means L1, B1, H1, or if there are some radius, there has to be certain specific shape. If it's a cylinder, then it has to be diameter, right? The h remains h, but L and B become the diameter. So that way we calculate the number of cans. That means the number of can is not the volume over volume. That's a wrong way. The number of cans will be each dimension divided by the respective dimension of the other article. So we say that the first alone is not sufficient. The D option is also out. Now let's check the second statement, which says that exterior of each can is 6 inches high and has a diameter equal to 4. So diameter is equal to 4, height is equal to 6, but we have no idea about the dimensions of carton. Therefore, we say that this statement alone is as well not sufficient. Now we can quickly identify that even after combining the two statements, the information is not going to be sufficient because we still have no idea about L, B, and H. We only know that L into B into H is equal to 2304, but that's not enough for us to answer the question because it has to be H divided by 6, L divided by 4, and B divided by 4, where L, B, H are the dimensions of carton. But since L, B, H are unknown, therefore we say that the combined information as well is not sufficient, and the final answer to the question becomes option E. Thank you so much.